How to fix Santander app showing a logged in failed error. Let's get started. For that, first of all, check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa, then try logging in again. Next, make sure you are entering the correct customer ID, username or password. Double check for any typing mistakes. If you have forgotten your login information, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Forgot Username or Password and then follow the on-screen instruction to recover or reset your account information. You should also disable any active VPNs or proxy connection as these can sometimes interfere with the login process. Another helpful step is to update the app. Open the App Store. In the search, press search for Santander App and just click that Update the application. If nothing works, long press on the app, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete one more time. That's it. If the issue still persists, you can contact Santander support for further assistance. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.